The Zacks rank, value, momentum, growth, and income all factor into Zacks rank buys.
We're going to talk about a couple of aggressive growth stocks with some pretty good scores. At least that's what Brian Bolin, our aggressive growth strategist, tells me, right? I actually looked too.
You looked?
So
you checked already?
I
okay.
did check, so
double check me, because I need double checking a lot. Make mistakes.
First company seems pretty interesting. FutureFuel, fuel of the future.
The fuel of the future, Terry. This is what's coming.
Yep.
I don't know if I'm going to be around for it when it happens, but
biofuels.
These biofuels, these things like this, and kind of the reason why I like this stock is this is a Trump play. Donald Trump talked about being energy independent. Obviously, we make a lot of corn in the United States, and they can use those biofuel, those sorts of products to make biofuels.
Yeah.
If we take a look at the screen here, we see that this is a Zacks rank number 1. So that's a strong buy, and it's got those scores that we like to see: A for value, A for growth, trading at only 12 times forward earnings. And you can see today, right now, and today, Terry, what day?
Is December the 1st.
December the 1st. Terry always reminds me what day it is.
Yeah.
It's already, Santa Claus is coming to town. But he came to town last night for stockholders of FutureFuel because the company announced a one-time special dividend.
Wow.
$2.29 per share. So we can see right here.
To what do shareholders owe the debt of gratitude for that?
From time to time, companies will do something like this to get some cash off the books, reward shareholders for being in the stock. And we can see that the shareholders really like this. They sent the stock up $1.10 right now, up 8%.
Wow.
So at a future date, that I'd have to check it to make sure, but at a future date, $2.29 will come off the top of the stock, but you will get that in cash.
Yeah.
That's why the stock's up big today.
So the special dividend versus typically no dividend at all?
No, normally there is a 24-cent dividend.
Oh,
so
that is a big jump.
1.75% yield, but this is just a one-time event, at $2.29. So it's not like this is going to be a consistent payer of that sort of money.
We'll take it, one time or not.
Right. If we bounce over to the detailed estimates, we're going to take a look here to see why this is a Zacks rank number 1. We see that we've seen just one increase for the current quarter in the last 30 and 60 days, and also for the year. But that one move, is pretty good, from $1 to $1.08. Obviously, the next year's estimates here, when we're looking at it, an NA and then 80 cents. I think this is an instance where the analyst hasn't updated their numbers fully yet, so that's yet to come. But I expect to see earnings growth for next year as well.
All right. Then you have highlighted that specialty sports retailer TLYS.
TLYS. Terry, and I think we talked about TLYS not too long ago, but I think the story has changed a little bit here, so that warrants just another look at it.
Okay.
It's a retailer, specialty retailer, and it's for the younger crowd.
Leaves me out. I got it. Okay.
I'm out as well. I know just from looking at what I'm wearing. I got the scarlet and gray on.
We don't change jackets, so that's kind of a negative thing right there. But indicates limited wardrobe.
I went just to make it, because I want to know what's hip and I want to see what's going on. So I checked it out. I went to their website. Flannels, Terry.
Really?
Lumberjack, red and black style flannels. That apparently is a big seller.
I have some of those.
You have, right?
Yeah.
Maybe.
You see me working out in the yard in those babies.
Right. So why I bring TLYS back to this forum again is that they just reported earnings last night, and they pretty much had a blowout quarter. We see the stock is up $3.33 right now. That's 33.7%. That's a huge move. We still have those great style scores: A for value, A for growth. The PE multiple now, the forward multiple, has gotten a little rich, obviously, because we don't have those forward estimates kicking in just quite yet, with the stock up 30%. So, at 36 times right now, I would expect actually that multiple to come in as estimates come in and move higher for the stock.
Yeah, 36 times, that's kind of high.
Kind of high for a retailer, but when you're showing good growth the way that they are, and I think the idea here is that there was good top line growth, and the comparable same-store sales were up 4.4%, whereas the company had guided to flat to -4%. So, complete flip of the switch there for them.
All right, do you own either of these?
I do not.
All right, check out more stock information, stock commentary, picks, and picking strategies on our website, Zacks.com. Get on over, link to it all right off the homepage if you're not there already watching this video. And with Brian, I'm Terry Ruffalo.